Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds of the UFC welterweight.
Steve Mazzagatti, our referee. Matt Arroyo, Thiago Alves. And here we go. He's down. Lets him up. Trying to come around the left. He's eating some punches. Can he get it? Pushing forward quickly. I mean, there is no hesitation. He is forward, forward, forward. Body shot. Nice hook there. Joe looking for the takedown here. Oh! Head kick. Combination, left, right. Beautiful hook. Good caught with that left. Missed on the takedown attempt. He's going to look for a takedown, I think. Stopped. Oh, just missed. Oh, he hurt him with that body shot. He busted him up big time. Those elbows are so dangerous when you get in close like that. Just missed with that one. That shot. Trying to find the range. Shoots for the takedown. Nice job, double leg. Joe, it looks like he's trying to set up a submission here. The crowd reacting. And he loses it. He's got it. He's got side control. Remains in round number 1. This position right here is what many fighters have described as imposing your will on your opponent. Joe's got the mount. This is not good. Body shot. Reversal. Very nice. Under 90 seconds remains in the first of 3 5-minute rounds. And he decides to let him up. Oh, just missed. Stumbled him that time. Looking for the takedown. Double leg got him. Controlling the head again. Just about 1 minute remains in the first round. Nice left hands. 45 seconds remains in the first round. Side control again. 30 seconds remains in the round. He's pulling on the back of his head from his back to try to control his posture. 15 seconds remains in the first. Trying to rain down some strikes. Final seconds of round number 1. Win or lose, there are going to be a couple of really sore dudes after this fight's over.
Yeah, no one's going to recognize these guys in the morning.
Let's take a look at some of the action here. Set for round 2. This fight's scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. Joe, when you look at Thiago Alves, he's one of the few American top team fighters who came in with a Muay Thai background first and then complemented that with Jiu-Jitsu. Mostly we've seen Jiu-Jitsu guys come into American top team and become incredible strikers.
Yeah, it's very rare that Brazilians come in without a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu background, but he is one of the rare few. But he has picked up a great many submission skills, training an American top team, and most importantly, he's picked up phenomenal takedown defense, and that's one of the things that makes him so scary. When a world-class wrestler like Josh Koscheck can't take him down, you wonder, I mean, what are the rest of the guys in the division going to do when they face that monster?
He's going to look to pass. Great job on the reversal. Just missed with that one. Can he get it? Under 3 minutes now. Relentless takedowns here. Looking to posture up. Now able to posture up. Posture up, throw down. Posturing up. Back to side control. A little bit over a minute to go. Mount again. 1 minute remains. .45 seconds remains. Oh, we got reversed. Postures up. Final 15 seconds of round number 2. Round's going to come to conclusion. What a great brawl here tonight. These guys are really battling each other.
Interessante.
Let's take a look at some of that action here. Third and final round. Thiago, originally from shoot box, comes from that great Muay Thai background. Oh, got an uppercut there. Shoots. Those takedowns will score points. Joe looking for the takedown here. Sprawls. Nicely done. Good combinations. In tight. Remains in the fight. And he lets it back up. Just missed. Body shot. Swing and a miss. Trying to find the range. He shoots. Nice double leg. Under 3 minutes now. He's inside control here. And the knee to the midsection. 2 minutes now remains in the fight. Oh, that body shot hurt him though, Mike. He's down again. Joe, he's not going to be able to survive any more of these. No, he's got to defend himself. He's been badly. Oh, Vicious ground and pound to the top. Oh, he's not even defending himself here, Joe. This could be the end. It should be. Good straight right. 1:15 remains in the fight. Joe, let's see what happens here. Takes a couple to the body. Under a minute remains.